An old man, dressed in tattered clothes, suddenly dropped a large, heavy sack into the village well, causing a massive splash. Villagers murmured, confused and worried, was Baba Karim trying to pollute their only water source? Young Ahmed, the kind shopkeeper, cautiously approached the old man. Baba Karim, what have you done? He asked. Baba Karim, with a calm smile, simply pointed towards the distant fields where a small smoke plume was just appearing. Suddenly, a cry rang out, fire! A small blaze was rapidly spreading through the dry crops, threatening their homes. Panic-stricken, the villagers rushed to the well, only to find their main bucket missing. Children had used it and left it somewhere. Baba Karim then revealed a long, strong rope from his cloak and explained, the sack was filled with sand, not dirt. It's a counterweight. He quickly attached a spare bucket to the rope and instructed the villagers to form a bucket chain to draw water efficiently. Using the sand-filled sack as a clever counterweight, they drew water swiftly, working together to douse the dangerous fire. Ashamed, the villagers thanked Baba Karim profoundly, realizing they had misjudged his strange actions and humble appearance. Never judge a book by its cover. True wisdom and kindness often hide behind humble appearances.
वो अपने हाथों में बेजान हंस को घूरता रहा, आंखों में आंसू भर आए जब इसकी नाकाबिल तलाफी गलती की हकीकत इसे कुचल देने वाली ताकत से लगी। कुछ दिन पहले एक छोटे से गांव का एक गरीब किसान करीम अपने खानदान को खुलाने के लिए जिदोजहद कर रहा था। एक दोपहर इसे एक झाड़ी में एक खूबसूरत हंस मिला, इसका पर जख्मी था और वो इसे देखभाल के लिए घर ले आया। अगली सुबह इसकी हैरत की इंतहा न रही जब हंस ने इसके सहन में एक चमकदार सुनहरी अंडा दिया। हर रोज एक और सुनहरी अंडा जाहिर होता और करीम जल्द ही गांव का सबसे अमीर आदमी बन गया। इसने जमीनें खरीदें और एक आलीशान घर बनाया। इसकी इब्तिदाई खुशी न खत्म होने वाले लालच में बदल गई। वो बेसब्र हो गया, इसे यकीन था कि हंस के जिस्म के अंदर सोने का एक खजाना मौजूद है। अपनी बीवी की मजिजाती परिंदे को बख्शने की बेताबाना इल्तिजाओं के बावजूद करीम लालच में अंधा होकर हंस को फौरन ज़ब्ह करने का फैसला किया। एक तेज चाकू से इसने हंस को खोला, लेकिन इसे सिर्फ आम आज़ा और गोश्त मिला, सूना बिल्कुल नहीं। नाउमीदी की एक लहर इसे घेर गई जब इसे अपनी हमाकत का एहसास हुआ। इसने अपनी दौलत का जरिया एक लम्हाती अहमकाना ख्वाहिश की खातिर तबाह कर दिया था। अपनी दौलत और अपने मजिजाती हंस से महरूम होकर करीम बिलाखिर इसी गुर्बत में लूट गया जहां से वो उठा था, एक कड़वा सबक जो बहुत देर से सीखा। लालच अक्सर आपके पास जो कुछ भी है इसे खोने का सबब बनता है, क्योंकि मजीद की ख्वाहिश आपको इस चीज़ की कदर से अंधा कर सकती है जो पहले से आपकी है।
With a trembling hand, the small boy offered his only piece of bread to the stranger, his own stomach growling with hunger. This was Ali, a young boy from a simple village, and the stranger was an old, weary traveler resting by the dusty roadside. The old man looked frail and exhausted, his eyes reflecting a deep weariness from a long journey and gnawing hunger. Ali himself had searched all morning, finding only the small, dry piece of bread that was meant to be his only meal. Seeing the old man's plight, a pang of empathy struck Ali's young heart, making his own hunger seem less important. He took a deep breath, walked closer, and with a soft voice, extended the bread towards the old man. The old man's eyes widened in surprise. He couldn't believe such a young, seemingly poor boy would share his last sustenance. A gentle smile spread across the old man's face as he broke the small bread into two, offering half back to Ali. They sat together, quietly eating the humble meal, a warmth of shared humanity filling the space between them. The old man blessed Ali profusely for his selfless kindness before rising to continue his long journey with renewed spirit. True generosity isn't about giving from your abundance, but sharing what little you have, for it comes from the heart.